Have you ever found yourself lying in bed, exhausted from the day, but somehow still wide awake? You've turned off your lights, silenced your phone, maybe even played some calming music, but your eyes won't close. Your brain keeps running, and you're left wondering, what's wrong? What if the real reason you can't sleep is sitting in your stomach? Welcome to the Sleep Code. In this video, we're going to reveal 7 foods that might seem innocent, even healthy, but are secretly messing with your ability to fall and stay asleep. And don't worry, we'll also show you what to eat instead. Let's begin. Food number 1, dark chocolate. Chocolate at night sounds harmless, even comforting. But dark chocolate contains two major sleep disruptors, caffeine and theobromine. These compounds stimulate your central nervous system and increase your heart rate, exactly what you don't want before bed. Even a small piece can delay your ability to fall asleep by over an hour. This is especially problematic if you're already sensitive to caffeine. You may not feel jittery, but your brain may simply refuse to power down. What to eat instead? A few slices of banana or a small spoon of almond butter. Both offer magnesium and potassium, which naturally support muscle relaxation. Food number 2, tomato sauce. Think pizza, pasta, or even just a little ketchup on your fries. Tomatoes are acidic and can trigger acid reflux, especially when you're lying down. That uncomfortable burn in your chest. It's your stomach acid disrupting your rest. This is worse if you tend to eat dinner late, or if you like having pasta close to bedtime. Swap it out for olive oil-based sauces or steamed vegetables. Your gut will thank you, and you'll sleep deeper. Food number 3, spicy food. We get it, spices flavor. But capsaicin, the compound that makes chili peppers hot, raises your core body temperature. And elevated body temperature is the enemy of good sleep. Your body cools down naturally before sleep to signal rest time. Spicy food disrupts that cycle, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Instead, try mild spices or stick to spicy meals earlier in the day, like at lunch. Food number 4, aged cheese. Here's one that surprises most people. Cheddar, Parmesan, Gouda, blue cheese, they all contain tyramine, a natural compound that causes your brain to release norepinephrine. This boosts brain activity and alertness, which is great in the morning, but not before bed. Some people also report vivid, even disturbing dreams after eating cheese at night, likely due to its effect on REM sleep. Instead, go for cottage cheese or a small cup of plain Greek yogurt. They're easier to digest and may even promote sleep thanks to their calcium content. Food number 5, processed meats, bacon, ham, pepperoni, sausage. All the salty favorites. These meats are high in sodium, nitrates, and preservatives. They not only elevate blood pressure, but also lead to dehydration, a double whammy for your nervous system. If you've ever woken up thirsty in the middle of the night after a salty dinner, now you know why. A better alternative, lean turkey slices or a hard-boiled egg. Turkey also contains tryptophan, which can promote sleep. Food number 6, sugar and ice cream. We all love a sweet treat at night, but sugar causes a spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash. This sudden swing can jolt you awake or trigger anxious thoughts as your body struggles to rebalance itself. Some ice creams also contain added caffeine in flavors like chocolate, coffee, or mocha, a hidden trap. Eat a few berries or a small serving of warm oatmeal with cinnamon. These stabilize blood sugar and help you wind down. Food number 7, energy bars and protein shakes. Yes, they're marketed as healthy, but many contain hidden caffeine, guarana, green tea extract, or excess protein that's hard to digest. Instead of helping, they can delay digestion, increase alertness, and leave you tossing and turning. Swap with a banana smoothie made with almond milk and chia seeds. It's light, digestible, and supports sleep hormones. So, what should you actually eat at night? Here's a quick cheat list of sleep-supporting snacks: bananas, magnesium, potassium; almonds, natural melatonin plus magnesium; turkey, rich in tryptophan; warm milk, classic for a reason, contains calcium and tryptophan; Greek yogurt light, calcium-rich. Oatmeal complex carbs help release serotonin. Tart cherry juice, one of the only natural melatonin sources. Let's be honest, improving your sleep doesn't always require big changes. Sometimes it's just about looking at what's on your plate and asking, is this helping me rest or keeping me wired? So before you blame your mattress, your phone, or your job, consider your dinner. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, all designed to help you sleep better naturally. This is the Sleep Code, your guide to deeper sleep, one night at a time. Sweet dreams.